Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be collaborating with a sweet friend. Actually, I met her on Instagram. Her name is Stephanie, and she has a YouTube channel that is called Home Sweet Hearth. And I'd love for you to finish watching this video and go check out her video. And we are going to be sharing a home decor Christmas haul. So in my last video, I did the shopping with me. Of course, I said in that video I was going shopping with my mom for her Christmas tree, but I ended up picking up a few things for myself. And so I thought I would just share them with you today. We went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's and I ordered one thing. So it's kind of a collective haul. I haven't bought that much and I'm probably not going to buy very much more. I am on the hunt for some stockings. I just can't decide which ones that I want to get. But anyway, without further ado, let's get on to this haul. Before I show you what I bought, I want to just talk to you a little bit about what my idea is for Christmas this year. I usually always stick to red and white. It's just my thing. I love it. I've tried to do something different and it just doesn't feel right. And so I am just sticking to that, which makes it nice so I don't have to buy new things every single year. I do like to buy a couple things that I can add to what I already have. And so you will see that in this haul. I don't think that it's necessary to reinvent Christmas decorations every single year. I think it's to each their own, but I feel like it can be frivolous. And but anyway, that's my own opinion. No hate or anything to anybody who does that. It just, to me, seems unnecessary. Anyway, before I get myself in trouble, I'm going to stop talking about that. But I just thought that I would just put that out there. Maybe somebody needed to hear it today. Because I know in this world of Instagram, everybody's always changing things. And it can be disheartening, and you can get caught up in it. I definitely know that, and it's a thing. But I'm here to tell you, you don't, and rock what you have and appreciate it and love it. And maybe one year you decide you want to get all new and you keep it for the next 10 years or something. I don't know. Anyway, just thought I would put that out there. The first place, let's just start with Michael's. I got this cute little reindeer feed sign and the pine wood. I thought these were so cute, and I thought that they would be cute hung like this or even like this on a wall, or you could put these on a shelf. They're not that big. I bet they're probably 12 by 12 or maybe 14 by 14. They were $21.99, but they were 40% off. So I will link everything I can in the description box below if you want to check them out. But I just thought they were just so cute. All right, and then at Michael's, I also picked up this really fun ribbon. I love ribbon, and so you will see I've bought several rolls of ribbon over the last couple weeks because I always feel like I never have enough. So ribbon, and then I bought these they're like a cookie press, but it's like a cookie cutter and a press in one. And I got a little gingerbread guy, a snowflake, and a snowman. And I think I'm gonna go back and get the Santa Claus because I also bought this gingerbread cookie mix from Sweet Tooth Fairy. Here's my idea. I have been into making cakes again, and I thought these would be so cute on a cake. So I'm gonna try it. Also fun for the kids to make and easy. But to go along with the cake though, they had peppermint meltaways. I know this is not home decor, but this is part of the haul because this is what I bought. Anyway, how cute is that? So I'm thinking I'm gonna make a white peppermint cake or something like that, and then use the gingerbread as my decoration. All right, only two more things from Michael's. Look at how cute these are. Aren't those so cute? So I'm going to be doing a like a cocoa station thing, and I am going to use these, and I cannot wait to share it with you because they're just adorable. So they were $19.99 and 40% off. So they were like $11.99. Anyway, I just thought they were so cute. I couldn't pass them up. And that's it for Michael's. Like I said, you guys, I don't have a ton. But I also will just stick with the ribbon. I got these 2 ribbons at Walmart. I used them last year, and I was excited to see that they had them again because I did run out last year. Anyway, they are wired ribbon and just really cute. And then I got this one at Joann's. So it's just another striped ribbon. I thought this would be cute. I'm going to show you something in just a second that I thought I could tie this ribbon onto. All right, Hobby Lobby. I had so many cute things, but I already have a ton of things too, so I don't need a lot. So I picked up these red and white Christmas ornaments in this big size and in the smaller size, and I thought, I don't know, they're really cute, and I love red and white, so how could I not, right? And then I got these ones too. These were in my video and I showed them. I think they're so cute. I think though that I am going to either try and take off the little snowmen on there, or I'll just hang them backwards because I don't really care for that part, but I just love the color and the little polka dots on it. I just love it. I think it's darling. I got 2 packages of those. Okay, and these are so cute. I will link these below. These did not come from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I ordered these online, but how cute. How cute are these? I'm gonna tie them up so they're all a little bit higher, like this. And then I'm going to hang them from a wreath. I will go get my wreath and show you just a second. Okay, so I just have these cedar wreaths. This one is from Hearth and Hand. I got these last year after Christmas, but I might not be able to use all 4, but how cute is that going to be? You get the idea. And I could hang those with a red and white ribbon on there, or even this ribbon. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. How cute is that? And that's it, you guys. I have one more thing that I bought from Ikea. I decided that I would show you everything I got from Ikea. A few things are not Christmas, but still cute, and I thought maybe you would be interested in seeing. Anyway, I bought this like a cream and black stripe rug. It's so cute, and I think it was like $15 or something, and it's quite large actually. Yeah, I don't know how big it is, but anyway, it's a big one and I like it. And then I bought a few of these white pillow covers because I was thinking I would make some Christmas pillows with them. I made some a few years ago and I threw them away when I moved because they were all dirty. And so I thought, I'm gonna make me some more with those. I also picked up these covers, and I love the color. It's kind of like a grayish blue. I love the little button detail. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put these yet, but maybe on one of my kids' bed. I'm not sure, but I liked them. And then I got these ones too. They're just like a blue and white stripe, like a dusty denim blue. And I just picked up 2 of those. And then the last thing I got was a Christmas tree, and I will show you that. I would love for you guys to come hang out with me over on Instagram. My handle is @lifewithcrystal. I share lots of more DIYs and home projects and more day-to-day things over there on my stories. It's a fun way to be able to actually connect with you guys and have real conversations. It's one of my most favorite things, and I would love to have you over there. All right, there's the tree in the basket. Makes it look 10 times better, I think. Anyway, I might put this on my porch, or I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I bought it for my porch, but I don't know if I really want that basket out there. Anyway, we'll see. I will show you later, but just wanted to show you how cute the tree was. And it's very inexpensive. I don't even remember how much it cost. I bought it several weeks ago. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I know it's not a ton of Christmas things like you would think, but I'm still in the process of purging, and so the thought of buying more crap makes my heart skip a beat. So I am on the hunt for some stockings, like I said, and also some garland for my mantle. I want something really pretty, timeless, that I can use year after year, and maybe just like add new picks to it or something to change it. But I'm looking to invest in something beautiful for that. We just haven't decided what. Anyway, I have so much Christmas decor, it's ridiculous. And so I have so much already that I'm planning to use again this year. And I can't wait to share that with you guys in the upcoming videos. Anyway, tell me what your favorite thing in the comments below was, and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't, go over and check out Stephanie's channel, Home Sweet Hearth, and you will love her. She's darling. I'll leave her Instagram linked in the description box below too. Check her out over there too. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.